The 2025 BMW M4 is a high-performance coupe that builds on the legacy of the M division with enhanced power, refined handling, and cutting-edge technology. It remains one of the most exciting sports cars in its class, offering a thrilling driving experience with a blend of luxury and aggression. The bold and aggressive exterior design is highlighted by its large kidney grille, sculpted hood, and aerodynamic enhancements that improve both aesthetics and performance. The sleek LED headlights and signature M-Quad exhaust system further emphasize its sporty character. It sits on lightweight alloy wheels, available in multiple sizes, wrapped in high-performance tires that ensure excellent grip and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M4 continues to impress with its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine, delivering more power than its predecessor. The standard model produces impressive horsepower, while the competition model pushes the limits further. The engine is paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed automatic transmission for those who prefer quicker shifts. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system, available in the competition trim, provides excellent traction and stability, making it an ideal choice for both track and everyday driving. Acceleration is exhilarating, with the car reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The driving dynamics of the 2025 M4 are fine-tuned to perfection. The adaptive M suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a balance between comfort and performance. The precise steering offers excellent feedback, giving the driver full control in every situation. The standard rear-wheel drive setup provides a more engaging driving experience, while the available all-wheel drive system enhances stability in various conditions. The M braking system delivers exceptional stopping power, further enhancing safety and performance. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. High-quality materials such as carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara create a premium atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit includes a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment display that runs on BMW's latest iDrive system. The infotainment system is intuitive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity seamless. The M-specific heads-up display provides important driving information without taking eyes off the road. The seats are designed for comfort and support, with aggressive bolstering to keep occupants in place during spirited driving. The rear seats, while not the most spacious, provide enough room for short trips. Technology and safety features in the 2025 M4 are at the forefront of innovation. The advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The parking assistance system makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The customizable drive modes allow drivers to adjust settings for the engine, suspension, steering, and braking to suit their preferences. The latest software updates ensure that the car stays up to date with new features and improvements. The fuel efficiency of the 2025 BMW M4 is reasonable for a high-performance sports car, thanks to the efficient turbocharged engine and lightweight construction. The automatic transmission helps optimize fuel consumption without compromising performance. The car's aerodynamic design also plays a role in reducing drag and improving efficiency. Overall, the 2025 BMW M4 continues to set the benchmark in the performance coupe segment. It offers an exciting blend of power, agility, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for enthusiasts who want an engaging driving experience without sacrificing comfort. Whether on the track or the open road, the M4 delivers an unforgettable performance that lives up to the legacy of the M badge. For more reviews on the latest cars, make sure to subscribe to Next General Rides, where we bring you the best in automotive content.